Hi there, we're back in the garden today, as you can see. Not a bad day. Just ordered this new swing type thing from Plum. It's going to have one big basket on the bottom for the kids to go in, the grandchildren and that. So today's job, posts have to be anchored down, so they have to go in concrete and then you screw that to the post. I did it the same on the old swing. But I can't remember how I did it, so I'm doing it this way. I shall use Postcrete, fill it up to about there with water, then pour the concrete in, and then push that in to the concrete, so it's about there. And when it's set, I shall screw them to the legs. So I've already dug the 4 holes out. Okay then, let's get cracking. So I'm going to fill this up about a third of the way with water. I expect it's going to be about up to there somewhere. It's quite sandy, this soil, so it actually disappears quite a bit. I'd say there. Yeah, happy with that. I'll get me Postcrete. Still, it's draining away quite fast. I might need to top it up a little bit. Just top it up a little bit. It's going fast. Right, here we go. Come on. Right, I know you shouldn't need to, but I always give it a little prod. A little bit of a manual mix up. Just make sure the water gets thoroughly mixed in. So when it starts to really firm up, I can push this in. So it's maybe at that angle, something like that. So when we do fix it, we can go up and down with the level of the leg. I'll just put a little bit more in. Just take that wetness off the top. But it's quite hard. It's going to start setting already. Just going to whack it with something. That's alright, I can twist that round. Right, go on to the next one then. Right, so on this one, I didn't realise it was going to go quite so hard down there. I couldn't get it deep enough, but that'll be alright because I'll be able to wrap it around the post. But this one, I'm going to temporarily attach this. This leg, when the concrete's gone hard, will actually drop onto the surface of the concrete. So if I put it about there, when it drops, it should be in the centre. So so just centre that bit. That should be okay. Here we go then. Fill this up with water. Sure the edges are nice and wet. It's going as fast as I can do it. you don't want it as high as the grass. You want it to be down a bit, so you can put a bit of turf on it when it's finished. Not bad, 2 chickens, 2 eggs this morning. I'll screw both of these on while I'm at it. And then to get it in the centre of the hole, just give it a little bend like that. Oh, my knees. Oh, my screw. I lost my screw. Now this one's going to be not going to drop much, so I'll put it about there. It's pretty central to the hole, so I'll leave that. It seems to go straight into the ground, this. You don't get this sort of soil in Essex. It's got a bit of substance to it down there. Find my little stick. Here it is. Oop. That'll take. Yeah, just one more to go and we can leave it. Now this one's the ground is a bit higher, so I might leave the pad, the concrete bit, a bit lower, so this leg can go in the ground further. The size. Right. I think that might be it actually, because it is a little bit higher this side than the other 3. No, I will pour some more. And it's got to be left for 4 hours to set, so the initial set is about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, but for the proper thing it's about 4 hours. Just give it a little sprinkle with a hose on that bit, just to wet those final bits. So I'll put it on shower. So this is starting to harden off. Just scrape that back a bit, so I might be able to get a bit of grass in there. I was worrying for nothing because I didn't have a clue how I was going to do this. Yeah, it's gone quite good really, yeah. No worries. Yeah, see you in the next one. Good day.